Hello everyone, welcome to Eureka Archery, and in this video I'm going to show you how to apply hide glue on your wooden bows. Now you have to basically boil the hide glue. And the way to do it is that you put the hide glue and water mixture in a cup and you boil the cup. So this way it will not be too hot for the glue, because if it's too hot it spoils the glue. It should be runny enough that you can apply the hide glue using your fingers on the bow directly. Shown here is one of our Manau Rattan bow, and the design is basically a gull wing design. So I'm just applying it evenly on the surface of the bow. Next, this is optional. For this one, I basically applied a paper backing on the bow, just a standard receipt paper. And using the hide glue, you want the glue to basically sip through the paper material, and that it is attached nicely to the wooden part of the bow. Now the hide glue allows you to do this, but be careful. With too much force you can actually tear the paper. So once you apply it evenly, and as the glue dries, it will stick to the wooden parts of the bow, and what's left is basically a very hard piece of paper that you can actually trim off using a blade or scissors later on. But at the moment, you just keep applying the glue evenly. And with hide glue and natural bows, there's no such thing as over applying. The more you apply, the better it gets, as the glue will actually be absorbed by the wooden material. Keep applying it evenly and you will get a nice coating over the bow. It usually dries in about a day's time in Malaysian weather. So once it dries, you can use a blade to trim off the excess. So shown here is the first layer. So do this carefully, as you wouldn't want to accidentally cut on the limb side of the bow. So take your time, do it carefully, and you'll see the results. Once you're satisfied with the trimming, you apply another layer of hide glue. Now for this particular bow, I'll be making 2 layers of paper backing. So I'm just prepping the bow again for the second layer of paper. Now this is roughly a day's interval. So when you apply the second layer of paper, it sticks on much easier, and you're able to basically fill in any cracks or any accidents that may have happened during the first layer. Again, do this carefully, take your time, make sure the glue is still runny. Now another thing about hide glue, that it does go bad after a while. So in my experience so far, it can last up to 2 days. When you are not using it, keep it in a dry place and away from pests, because it does attract pests. So straighten out any creases that you may have on the bow. Now this is the second layer after it has been trimmed. I'm just now sealing the bow with more hide glue. This way it really strengthens the bow. It prevents any splintering or any lifting on the back side of the bow. You can do this as many times as you like. After using it after a few months, you can actually clean it up and reapply the hide glue. This will basically help strengthen your bow and make it more durable, and shoots better too. Once you're satisfied with your layers, take a piece of sandpaper. Now the best thing about hide glue is that you can actually sand it off the bow. So once you do that, you are actually left with a very nice finish on the bow. And since it's paper, you can paint it, you can spray it, you can decorate it in any way you like. And if it splits, sandpaper it and apply another layer. That's all for now. Hope you had fun and learned something new. Stay tuned for more bow making videos. We're both on YouTube and on Facebook. Find us at Eureka Archery. Thank you.